The two filmers film an entire video together. Let's go, Dan.
This one's for Shane, okay?
All right. Hey you guys, we're here today at the beautiful, extremely hot Fremont Skate Park, and I forgot my hat.
It's actually mildly hot.
Oh, yes. I have the power of Troy in the palm of my hands. All right, well, we have a box today.
And you have no idea how to open it.
And it's literally the most militaristic, fortified box. I know what's in this box, and knowing that, this has to be opened respectfully.
Is it a skateboard made out of straws?
No, but that's a really good
like
idea. Why do you have tears in your eyes?
My eyes keep watering, so now I'm just like, all right, whatever. I'm just gonna let it go.
Nigel's crying from excitement.
Yeah, I know what's in this box.
What's in there, Nigel?
Hopes and dreams.
Are you ready for this, Dan?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. It has a note, 1162 logo 8. But then,
I thought you weren't gonna yell again.
Jesus.
I have a lot of energy.
That was a high note, though. I was very impressed.
Did you eat Mr. Pickles?
No, I watched Dragon Ball this morning.
Uh-oh.
I was gonna tell you, you should yell anyways, because who cares what they say about yelling? You're you.
I don't like
Don't
your attitude,
switch up.
Nigel. So this is an April skateboard, and if you don't know what that is, this is Shane O'Neill, the GOAT, his brand new skateboarding brand. What are you thinking?
I'm not gonna say anything.
I know exactly what he's thinking. We're not even gonna get into that right now. Shane
Shane,
O'Neill,
your last trick could have been a lot doper. I'm just saying.
he was holding back.
Yeah, I know, and I don't like that. Switch flip, back tail, switch backside flip manual in between two cars. Shane,
Nigel,
you are the god of gods.
Have you released the video part?
I haven't, ever.
If you do that, then I will.
So anyways, Shane just released his new company. It's been in the works for a long time, and we thought, why not, as the biggest skateboarding channel on YouTube, give it our comprehensive skateboard review. All right, well, here you go.
Can I grip it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh.
I think that Shane O'Neill was like, Gabe Cruz is born in
you
April,
offered.
so I should name a company after the birth of Gabe Cruz's birth month. What comprehensive test do you think we can put this skateboard through?
I don't know. I don't like dogs.
I'm not. What?
I don't know. We should just skateboarding.
Don't break the April Shane O'Neill skateboard.
This is weird using like a knife.
Seems to be working.
I already know my lines aren't straight though.
Oh, hello. Hi. Best video ever.
Oh, you're so sweet. My entire heart, Dan. That was the most endearing moment of my life. It's like so strange just skating an actual normal skateboard. Dan gets here and he's already on the phone with his doctor because his ears are clogged and he's concerned about it. Turns out that the last time he went to the doctors to get his ear fixed, they almost made him go deaf.
Nigel, you alright, dude?
Yeah.
What is
I just
happening,
realized that these bolts that we got are way too long, so the skate tool only fits to that much. I guess it's secure as far as they're going on, but I mean they're secured.
Bye, buddy. Bye, buddy. You have a good day. You have a fantastic day, buddy. Dan, he loves you.
See you, buddy.
Where is everyone? Dan's on his phone. Nigel's being Weenie Hut General. Fetty is on a different plane, and it looks like it's up to us, Dan. The two filmers film an entire video together. I'm down for that. Let's go, Dan. You have to heel flip to 5.
What?
On this. If you heel flip to 5 on this, you could have it.
Oh my god.
Come on,
I mean,
Dan.
that's tempting.
You can do it, dude.
Gotta see what condition it's in after the video, you know?
I mean, I don't think we're gonna break it. Whoa!
It's good shape.
It's very poppy. This particular shape doesn't have a lot of concave, which I deeply enjoy. Why can I not skateboard, Dan? You want to try a trick?
Yeah, I've only got one trick, but
Heel flip? You got it.
I'll try it. It is nice.
It's really poppy. Oh!
Okay, those wheels are a little bit weird, but I got my phone in my pocket too.
Dude, me too.
Mistake.
Wow!
Oh, the ugliest kickflip in existence.
Any landed kickflip for you is a success. Whoa!
Should I land a trade flip?
Hashtag release the Aussie.
I'm not used to actually skating, you know?
Oh, you got that,
That wheel bite.
Wow! All right, let me get another trick,
That's for
Dan.
Shane. I think we are just gonna film this whole video, and Troy's gonna get on this too.
Oh. It's also because I have my phone and my keys in my pocket. Everything I have!
For Shane.
Ah!
Do it for Shane.
God, dude.
Okay, this one's for Shane, okay?
All right. Dude, that's not possible.
It is. Hey, that worked.
Why is everything I land suck? I'm gonna do one more trick and then I'll give it to the professionals. Wow. Take this board away from me right now.
What?
I thought I was looking bad on the body. What happened?
Whoever picked these wheels, I hate you.
I didn't
I
pick
blame
them.
yes, you did.
I just said these are the only trucks that were
Nigel,
there.
give it a shot.
Nigel, don't do a shot. Do a shot.
Who tasked you guys to get these? You know what? I'm taking my wheels off.
Oh my gosh. The board's fine. Dan made the mistake of getting the
don't-
worst
I
wheels
didn't-
in the Braille
I
house.
didn't pick it.
These aren't even going back to the Braille house. We're taking the bearings and throwing these wheels away.
I feel like Shane O'Neill wearing blue pants.
Go skate like him.
I just did. You missed it.
What'd you do?
Did the same.
I did everything.
Switch flip.
That's because my board was cursed.
Do a switch flip.
Do a switch flip, Uzi. Shut up! I hate all of you.
Now that we got some real wheels on here, I think I can actually do a trick.
Hey, I was doing the tricks with the terrible wheels.
Oh yes, dude, it was the wheels.
How did I do those tricks then without them?
Oh, okay. Yes, we're in business, Dan. All right, name a trick.
A half cab heel flip.
How do you skate with shadows?
That was gonna be my next
How many mediocre tricks can Gabe land in one video?
Wow. That was actually really good.
See, that's much better. No, I kind of like it. Oh, that was ugly. Can we loosen the trucks?
Loosen them?
Yeah, they're so tight.
No, they're so loose.
They're so tight.
I'm gonna do 10,000 switch flips, and then next time Gabe says something, I'm gonna go and do one like.
I can't switchflip.org, dude.
Okay. There's a what's this over here? What is that? Oh, that's a switch flip.
I don't even know which way is the front. Trucks are too loose.
The trucks are tight. Oh! Ah! Maybe I can only do them on my board. I had like super good hard flips yesterday.
We got some beef right now.
Say you swear. What's up, baby? Go first. I'm excited. I don't get to see Gabe skate often. Your boy's been practicing. Wow. I think we're playing SK8 or skate.
SK8, I better take him out now then. No, that's my trick, Dan.
I do like these boards though.
Same.
Whoa! You are Satan himself. I see the horns right now. It makes sense.
Oh my god. I can't figure it out. Oh!
Oh!
Dude.
Oh!
It's not just me.
No, I don't like the trucks on these. The bushings seem like super soft.
I don't know if it's just the trucks.
The board's fine. The board's great. Honestly, those bushings are super soft, and you probably skate mediums or hards.
Y'all just complaining.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Wow.
I don't want to be in this video anymore.
What, Uzi, what are you doing? Well, now you gotta land it.
Okay.
Hey, there we go.
Wow.
Let me see that. I'm gonna hit this 5-stair one time for the one time, honey. Can I do that?
Oh,
That was beautiful. I know it's called April skateboards, but you could skate this any month of the year.
come on, Nigel, land it. Dang.
Uncooked pudding.
I heard you say meatloaf.
Uncooked meatloaf.
That's even worse.
You already
Disgusting.
know what I'm doing, brother.
What are you doing, Fetty?
No slide.
Well done, sir. That was easy.
He was like, yeah, I'm really concerned about this one. Let me get one to feel it out, and does it perfectly.
These trucks are something else, man.
Yeah.
Nigel, you land this, I'll give you a hug.
I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna do like an ollie and 180 down to 7, and then give it to somebody else to go do something somewhere else.
Deal. If you land either one of those, I'll still give you a hug. Wow. I got that little. Never will I understand how he just sends down a 7-stair like that.
I know.
I'm appalled. Venmo you 20 bucks if you do a tray first try. I've got
Come to the Braille house, Shane O'Neill. Come to the Braille house. Braille house, come to the Braille house, Shane O'Neill. Come to the Braille house. Leave it in the comments below if you want Shane O'Neill to come to the Braille house. Go to Shane O'Neill's social media and let him know that he needs to come to the Braille house.
Yeah.
That'd be very,
I hope
very...
this is tempting for you to come to the Braille house. I'll destroy you in a game of skate. Psych! I wouldn't even get I'd get like twice as many letters on one trick.
He does one trick, you get 2 letters.
Yeah.
Entire Braille team versus Shane O'Neill.
No chance.
I'd have to do every late variation that I know first try.
The problem is though, if you get him to T, give him 2 tries on anything, he'll learn it.
Kickflip. Let me do one kickflip. I need a Shane O'Neill heel flip skate support.
Oh, that was great! You gotta get a backside flip for Shane. Yeah.
First try. If I land this right here, Shane is coming to the Braille house.
It's official, Shane's on his way.
Troy, you want to do some tricks?
Sure. I'll try a trick. Can I try a switch double heel? Just as like a little
Oh,
Easter
good.
egg.
I'd be honored if you did.
I'd be offended if you didn't.
Oh man.
Oh god. Never mind.
I need to tighten the
At least
truck.
land a switch heel.
Yeah, give us a switch heel, Troy.
Oh, the butt! Alright, I'm done. Yeah, I'm not feeling those trucks at all.
Well, all in all, the board is really good. The trucks really ruined it for us. So next time, if we get some better trucks, maybe we'll have some better tricks on it. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Tell Shane O'Neill to come to the Braille house and skate with us. Go to his social media, tell him to come to the Braille house, and we will make it happen. We'll see you guys tomorrow.